Welcome back everyone to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hair growth, because who doesn't want those luscious, flowing locks, right? From natural remedies to scientific breakthroughs, we've got everything you need to know to boost your hair growth and achieve the mane of your dreams. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair, looking to speed up the growth process, or simply craving some hair care tips, you're in the right place. But before we jump into the secrets of hair growth, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our weekly uploads packed with valuable content just like this. Plus, it helps our channel grow, allowing us to continue bringing you the best hair care advice out there. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to healthier, longer, and more radiant hair, make sure to subscribe and join our incredible community of hair enthusiasts. Now, let's get into it. Thank you all for your continued support, and let's embark on this hair growth journey together. A board-certified dermatologist claims that while hair growth vitamins may enhance overall hair health, there is little data to support their effectiveness in promoting hair growth. Typically, hair-friendly chemicals like biotin, folic acid, vitamins D, A, C, and E, and omegas are found in hair growth pills, gummies, and supplements. These ingredients are intended to work together to make your hair appear stronger, longer, healthier, and more lustrous after a few months. The kind of supplement or gummy you take and your present health state will determine whether or not hair growth vitamins are safe for you to take. The problem is that because vitamins and supplements are not subject to FDA regulation, manufacturers are free to add any combination of ingredients to their products and say whatever they like. However, because there is no government-approved data supporting hair supplements, the research on them is either non-existent or extremely dubious. According to a hair loss specialist, many of the studies that are found to be in favor of hair supplements are really sponsored by the businesses. The majority of dermatologists concur that supplements are not particularly effective, and the literature is, at best, hazy. Your best option is to speak with your physician instead. Since vitamins and supplements are not FDA approved, there is no accepted benchmark for their formulations, strengths, or constituents. That implies that the question of whether or not vitamins promote hair development will ever have a definitive yes or no response. Sadly, the question of whether biotin, also known as vitamin B7, actually promotes hair development remains unanswered, and all of the dermatologists we consulted expressed skepticism. For a standalone biotin supplement to potentially influence hair development, you would need to take at least 5 mg per day. However, there is no assurance that this will have any effect, according to the source. Which substances promote hair growth? The components that will promote hair development differ depending on the individual. Supplements often contain the same vitamins that most individuals get from their diets on a daily basis. I get what you're thinking: if vitamins and supplements for hair growth don't work, what's the harm in trying them? But regrettably, in a healthy, non-vitamin deficient person, it is not how vitamins function. You wouldn't get a treble or even double increase in hair growth benefits even if you consumed 3 times the amount of vitamins your body requires. Why? Because your body eliminates excess vitamins after retaining the ones it requires. It resembles pouring water into a glass that is already completely filled. Therefore, you'll typically end up urinating away the surplus vitamins very quickly after you take them, unless you're genuinely lacking any essential nutrients. That is, unless your doctor has certified that you have a deficiency. Is hair loss a result of stress? Yes, you may have observed a sudden losing of your hair a few months after experiencing a significant period of physical or emotional stress. Minoxidil. The active component of both prescription oral drugs and topical creams, like as Rogaine and hers, that you rub onto your scalp on a daily basis is minoxidil. Although the precise mechanism of action of minoxidil is unknown, we believe that it mostly involves boosting blood flow to the scalp. It's similar to providing a plant with additional water to aid in its growth. In essence, minoxidil promotes longer hair growth, as opposed to rest or shedding phases, which might lead to an increase in hair density. If you decide to try topical minoxidil, keep in mind that you must be diligent and apply it every day for the rest of your life. Concluding remarks. Sadly, there is no proof that hair growth supplements may make your hair grow longer. Only your age, hormones, and genetics can do it. Actually, the FDA doesn't even oversee vitamins or supplements, so companies are allowed to use whatever ingredients they want and make whatever claims they want in their marketing. Make an appointment with your doctor to discuss your hair objectives and develop a plan that can genuinely result in longer, thicker hair before you order a bottle of vitamins. And there you have it. We've reached the end of today's journey into the realm of hair growth. I hope you found these tips, tricks, and insights valuable on your quest for healthier, more vibrant hair. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these techniques into your hair care routine and watch your locks flourish. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on the path to fabulous hair. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future hair care wisdom from us. Together, we'll continue to explore the world of beauty and empower each other to look and feel our best every day. Thank you so much for tuning in, for your support, and for being a part of our incredible community. Until next time, keep shining bright and rocking those gorgeous locks.